Well, look. Still got this on the truck. And we powder coated the lift kit. And the letters. And I put different tires on here. Spray painted the rims. And added a new antenna. And we got a license plate. Eastern Empire. My YouTube channel name. And the flag that's like on my profile pic. There's my old YouTube channel username. And paid the letters there. The bumper has like eroded a lot for scrape on the ground. This is how the truck actually looks. How do you rate this truck 1 through 10? Subscribe.